guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bianca Shanice and I'm here with a new video. If you're new here, hello, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So today's video, I decided to do a up-to-date skincare routine. I also want you guys to know what products work for me, may not work for you. If you would like to see my updated skincare routine, please stay tuned and keep on watching. So I have my steamer, and it's the Dr. Dennis Gross steamer. And you just add water into this little compartment. And I like to use my steamer first to open up my pores. So I like to use that for a few minutes, and then I'm gonna jump into my skincare routine. And y'all, please don't mind my eyebrows and my hair. I'm in the process of locking, and I'm trying to let my eyebrows grow out so they can be nice and thick and pretty. So I have two cleansers that I use, but right now, well, the first cleanser that I will share about is this one. It's the Shea Hydrating Cleansing Bar, and they also have it in like the cleansing foam or gel. And I'm also using this right now. This is what I'm using right now. So I'm gonna use this first. And it's the Aloe facial cleansing foam. And y'all, I would normally be doing this in my bathroom, but my tripod has broke. And I just got some disposable facial cloths. Unpack. Dry. Then I have this Neutrogena Hydro Boost face mask, and it's cold, y'all, like cold. Yeah, it feels so good. I'm just gonna turn my steamer back on and let it do what it do. Okay, so now I'm just gonna peel this off and take it and powder it in my skin. And then I have this Hydrate Hyaluronic Acid plus Vitamin B Facial Serum. And I just like to take a squirt and pat it in my skin. And then I like to use this Shea Moisture face oil. Shea Moisture 100% virgin coconut oil daily hydration overnight face oil with coconut milk. And I just take that. And massage this in. Then I have two other things that I like to use. So I use my Aquaphor first. I don't use much of this because I don't want to clog my pores, but I just use a little bit, and I just do a little dab here and there. Take a squirt of the Nivea, because I have dry skin, and this keeps me moisturized throughout the day and throughout the night. I do this every day except for the mask. I'm just putting on some lip gloss right now. Welcome back. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have questions on any products I use in this video, it will be in the description box down below. Also, please don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe. And please don't forget to hit that post notification button so you can get alerts when I put up new videos. And I will see you guys in another video. Goodbye.